In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Cloudflare with Hostinger. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up Cloudflare on your Hostinger domain. You will be able to enable Cloudflare for free and protect your domain. So Cloudflare can help increase your website's loading speeds by storing copies of your website on their servers distributed across the globe. So all that you have to do is first, make sure that the domain is properly set up on Cloudflare. If needed, go over to your account page and configure it however you like. Once the domain is active and good to go, the next step should be done on Cloudflare itself. So sign into your Cloudflare account, and when you go over to your websites, you will find the option to add a new website. In there, include the Hostinger domain that you would like to add to Cloudflare, and you will be able to select a plan. There is a free option available, and it is going to cover all basic needs for the majority of websites, so choose that one if it satisfies you enough. After this is done, you are basically good to go. However, it is recommended that you review the DNS records. Cloudflare will automatically import as much of your current configuration as possible and indicate if any issue is encountered. It will also provide you with the option to add more records at this point, and you can also add them later. Make sure that the A record for your root domain is added and pointing to your account's IP. Once this is done, proceed to the next step. A pair of custom name servers will be generated for your domain. All that you have to do is copy the values and change the name servers on your domain's DNS zones. After you've specified the new DNS records, propagation will start, which can take up to a day to complete fully, so just let this process finish. After you go through all of this, for the most part, you will be good to go. So all that you have to do now is check the records, and your domain is now using Cloudflare's CDN. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cloudflare with Hostinger. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.